everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and we are going to be making this card today for my online class. My online class this month was Circle Sayings, and this is the stamp set that I picked out. You did not have to purchase the sayings if you want the kits for free. All you had to do is order $50 or more for me, and you can change up the stamps to whatever you want or whatever, or you could order this bundle up to $50 worth of product and you will get it for free. All the information for my class and more in depth and everything is in the description box below or over on my Facebook or YouTube page, so go check them out. All right, let's get started. This is the bundle that we'll be using for my 4 online card classes. Also, I want to remind you, because I do forget this, if you like this content that I'm giving you, it would be nice if you could like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, all the good stuff. I'd really appreciate it. So, this is the card we're going to make. I saw something similar to this on TikTok, and I'm very sorry. Not TikTok. It was on Pinterest, and I forgot to write the person's name down. When I'm editing this video, if I can find it, I'll go back and try to find it, and I will definitely give credit to the person that made something similar to this. I just changed it up a little bit because I didn't have some of the stuff that she used. So let's get started. I'm going to set this right over here. First thing we got to do is we are going to score this piece of paper. That's a standard base card, and we're going to score it at 4 1/4, and just reinforce it, or 4 1/2, not 4 1/4. Sorry if I said that. 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 piece of paper, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. Oh my God, you're right, at 4 1/4. Oh, it's an early morning. It's my first card, as usual. You all know this by now. That my first card is usually got me going. Then I took a piece of DSP. I'm not even sure the measurement of this piece of paper. It's about 3 1/8 by 4. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back of this, and we're going to put this right here on the top of our card, just like so. There we go. And I'm going to get my bone folder and reinforce this better. There we go. Now it'll stay flat for me. All right, now I have another piece of the lemon lolly, and this piece is 2 and what is it? There's the half, 2 tick marks past the half is 3/4. No, not quite 3/4. 5/8. Yeah. So it's 2 5/8 by 4. And this piece we're going to emboss with embossing folder. I think it's like hashtags, it's like a hashtag type embossing folder, and you're going to put it on platform 1, and then you're going to put your embossing folder, your paper, and then platform 4. You're going to run it through your Big Mont machine. I'm going to run it through my electric machine. It comes out looking like this, and then I'm going to flip it over, take some dimensionals, and I'm just going to put a few in each corner and 1 in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to peel these off. Oh, I lost them all. There we go. And this is going to overlap that. You're just going to line it up side to side. Make sure, oops, the one in the middle. Make sure that it's kind of equal to the bottom from the top distance. like that. Push that down. Okay, in your kit you're going to have 2 circle punches. This one is 2 3/8 and this one is 1 3/4 circle. Alright, so we're going to set this aside for a minute and we're going to get out our stamps. Put the punch over here I did, or the stamp set over here. Okay, we need a couple of the stamps here. We need the one that says sending right here. Yeah, I like that one on here. This is sending you a, and then we need happy birthday. Put that right there. Okay. I took I have Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather ink. I took the lighter of the 2, the Highland Heather, and I stamped this up. If you have a really juicy pad, do not push really hard because it'll block in your letters. And then you're just going to put it on here, line it up to the top as far as you can go, and then just push down. Don't push too hard, like I said, if you have a really juicy pad. See, mine started to fill in, but it's still good enough. Okay. And then I'm going to take the Gorgeous Grape, and I'm going to stamp the happy birthday, and I'm going to stamp that one almost in the center, just a hair off. Not a whole lot, just like that. Okay. Then we're done with our stamp pads. So we'll close them up. Okay. Now we're going to take the Gorgeous Grape pen or Stampin' Write markers. Now I still have the old ones. The new ones have different tips on the end. But you're just going to take and you're just going to do a slash and dot. You can do 1 dot if you want. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. Some of my lines aren't perfect. You can make them as long or as short as you want. Okay, so we did that. So now we're going to bring the card back in right here. And we're going to put this right here, just like this, sliding down in. So we're going to put adhesive on the back of it. You're going to go just past that first dimensional you put there. You're going to put it in as an angle a little bit, and you're going to go down to almost that sign where the greeting is hits it. And then you're going to push that down just like that. And then this we're going to put here. But first we got to put up a dimensional on the top. 1 dimensional on the top and adhesive on the bottom. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to stick this right here. Just like so. Okay. Then I went ahead and I used an old Stampin' Up! Star Punch. Oh, that one's not it. It's a little one about this size, but it's a star. Now, if you're in my online class, I will have these punched out for you. I can punch anything and emboss stuff and die cut stuff. I just cannot do any stamps. So you will get these already die cutted out. And same thing with the circles, just in case you don't have the circles. Alright, so then this one I'm just going to stick right here. So let's see if my glue's going to cooperate today. I did find that I left the top off the other night, so it may not. Oh, it's going to work. Yay. Okay. And we're just going to put a dab of glue right there. You don't need a whole lot. Wish it around a little bit after you put it down. And then I'm just putting one right here, just like that. I'm looking at the original card, so I can remember what I did. Then I'm going to put another one, little dab, wish it around. Put one right here. And then we'll get another one. There we go. And then we will pop this one up with a dimensional, mini dimensional, that is. Looks like I'm missing a one. I don't know, might have dropped it here. Here we go. Take your pick tool and pick one right up and put it right on this. Now these stars are using the Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather ink or paper. Whew. And then we're going to put one right here, kind of like that. Find the other one. Put that one kind of over a little bit, like that. Let's see. I have a star missing. I don't know what I did with it. Okay. Well, we'll have to get me another star. So, let's see. I gotta find the punch. Oh, here it is. And then we need a scrap piece of Highland Heather. There's that right here. And I'm gonna punch piece out. And this one I popped up also. That one right there. And then we're going to take some of these cute little gems, and this has got the lemon lolly in it. And we're going to put one right here. I'll take a medium size one. Put that one right there. I took an itty bitty one and I put it down here. Then I took another big one and I put it up here, and another itty bitty one and I put it over here. Okay, so I'll put this over there. And then I took some white baker's twine. I gave you guys more than you're going to need, but I'd rather you guys have a little more than not enough. Can use the extra for another card or whatever. Okay, and I'll just make this kind of tight. Our scissors here. Cut it off. Take a glue dot and roll your glue dot up. Roll it up into like a little roll. If you have to, use your fingers and make a little ball with it. Flatten it. Then take your bow and you're going to put this right on the end of it, like that. Right in the middle where the knot is. And then we're going to put it right down here underneath the happy birthday. And now that I've seen, I'm going to trim this up just a little bit more. Not quite so long. There we go. And that is how we made card number 1. I'll be back with card number 2.